An earthquake shook Cebu, homes collapsed, lives were lost. But amid the grief, hope rose when President Bongbong Marcos stepped in with real action. Welcome back to Tomas On Air. This is News in Focus on President Bongbong Marcos's hands-on leadership after the Cebu earthquake.
Pinapunta po kami ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dito sa Cebu. Nanggaling po kami ng Masbate pero sabi ng Pangulo, dumiretso na kayo sa Cebu. Nandito kami ngayon. Ang sabi niya, lahat ng immediate na kailangan ibigay. Kasama ko si Secretary Rex Gatchalian ng DSWD. Nagdala na ng food packs, nagdala ng hot meals, lahat.
Kami ng ating Pangulo, na kami ni Secretary Vince, ni Secretary Cristina at ni Secretary Gibo, na magtungo kaagad dito sa Cebu para ma-assess natin yung pangangailangan. Ang instruction niya, siguraduhin natin na yung basic na pangangailangan, pagkain, tubig, at yung mga iba pang immediate na need for relief, ma-provide natin. Sa hanay ng DSWD,
President Bongbong Marcos didn't just send a message from Malacanang. He personally went to Cebu, expressed his condolences, and extended support. Every family who lost a loved one received 10,000 pesos in cash aid. President Bongbong Marcos visited SM Cares Village, meeting face-to-face with affected residents, not just through intermediaries. People didn't have to wait long. Within just 30 minutes, calls for food and water were answered. Over 1,700 family food packs, ready-to-eat meals, mobile kitchens, water trucks, and even treatment trucks were delivered. Relief came fast, it was tangible, and it was felt directly by the community.
Pa doon, yung dinaanan naming ospital na nasa labas pa lahat ng pasyente, ang DPWH nakapagpadala na ng mga engineer, tinignan yung ospital at ngayon clear na nila, safe na yung ospital, pwedeng ibalik sa loob ang mga pasyente na. Ang ospital dito hindi naman nawalan ng kuryente dahil may genset at kaagad prioritize ng Department of Energy na magka-connection kaagad.
Equally important, the victims' health was made a priority. President Bongbong Marcos inspected Cebu Provincial Hospital in Bogo City, personally checking the emergency ward and comforting families of patients. An additional 20 million pesos was allocated for DOH-managed hospitals affected by the quake, plus 5 million pesos for the provincial hospital. It wasn't only homes that collapsed, but also heritage treasures. President Bongbong Marcos visited the Archdiocesan Shrine of St. Vincent Ferrer, committing 75 million pesos for the restoration of heritage sites and infrastructure. Because disasters don't just destroy structures, they shake the roots of our cultural identity. Here's the most moving part. President Bongbong Marcos directly spoke to residents holding signs asking for food and water. So right then, he instructed the DSWD to immediately deliver aid. He inspected collapsed houses and personally greeted victims. The people of Cebu responded with gratitude and hope. Netizens flooded social media. Salute Posaw PBBM, the best ka talaga, the action father. Another wrote, God bless you PBBM. Pahinga ka rin po. Take care of your health po. Proof that the President Bongbong Marcos' presence was truly felt by the people. When disaster strikes, true leadership rises. Bagong Pilipinas stands with Cebu. What's your take on President Bongbong Marcos' leadership in times of crisis? Share your positive thoughts below. Hit like and share. And stay tuned here on Tomas On Air, the place for real action, not empty promises.